Hi guys, I am your trainer Rajesh Singh and you are watching Ayansh Tutorials. In this video, you are going to learn verb. A verb describes an action or state of being. There are 8 types of verb: action verbs, stative verbs, dynamic verbs, regular and irregular verbs, linking verbs, finite and non-finite verbs, helping verbs, and last modal verbs. So let's learn action verbs. The verb describes the actions the subject is doing. There are 2 types of action verb, transitive and intransitive. An action verb that has a definite subject that is being acted upon is called transitive. Structure: subject plus verb plus object. Example: Ali is drawing on the board. Intransitive verb: an actions verb that has no specific object that is being acted upon. Structure: subject and only verb, there is no object. Example: Ali is drawing. So this is example of intransitive verb. Stative verb: these verbs tell us about the state of mind of the subject or the relations between the subject and the object. Words are used in this verb like love, have, had, appear, believe, fit, sound, remember, prefer, think. Example: she prefers to eat an apple. He likes to walk to school. Next, dynamic verb. These verbs describe an actual actions or process carried out by the subject or a sensation that is felt by the subject. Words used in this dynamic verb is eat, run, sleep, walk, talk, go, become, read, learn, write, grow. Example: he is running in the park. She visits the supermarket every week. So these were examples of dynamic verbs. Now next, that is linking verbs. Links the subject to a noun or adjective. This helps provide additional information about the subject. Words used in linking verbs: am, is, are, become, appear, will be, been, might be, seen, was, were. Example: she became a nurse. Jenny and Amber are sisters. So these are linking verbs in the sentence. Next, regular verbs. Verbs that form their past participle with D or ED, they don't undergo substantial changes when changing form between tenses. Base form: simple past and past participle. Ask, asked, asked. Believe, believe, believed. Discussed, discussed, discussed. End, ended, ended. Listened, listened, listened. Now irregular verbs. These verbs don't follow a rule. Base form: simple past, past participle. Become, became, become. Buy, bought, bought. Choose, chose, chosen. Do, did, done. Fall, fall, fallen. These are irregular verbs. Guys, now next we have to read, that is finite verbs. These verbs show tense, person and number. I go, she goes, we want, we went, etc. Example: I work at Starbucks. She laughed at his joke. So in this sentence, these are finite verbs. And after finite verbs, let's learn non-finite verbs. These verbs don't show the tense, persons or number. There are 3 types of non-finite verbs. First, gerund. Act like nouns and can serve as a subject or object in a sentence. They end in ing. Example: writing is my hobby. Infinitive. Second, infinitive consists of 2 verbs. Example: I want to play football. And last, participle is a form of a verb used in a sentence to modify the noun, noun phrase, verb or verb phrase. Example, the girl waiting outside is my friend. Now, modal verbs indicate the possibility of something happening, so obligations or give permission. Some modals are will, shall, would, should, might, must, can, can't, could, couldn't, may, need, ought to. Example, I must finish my homework. She can speak 5 languages. So these are modals. And after modals, let's learn helping verb. We also call it auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verbs help the main verb. These verbs help us identify the tense of when the actions occurred. These are am, is, are, was, were, be, been, has, had, have, do, did, shall, will, should, would, might, being. Example, Anna is moving to a new house. They were playing in the park. So these are examples of helping. Thank you friends for watching this video. Bye.